Hey, Celina and Prosper. This is Dr. Rouse, Open Late Dentistry. Excited to talk to you guys today again about orthodontics and cephalometric x-rays, cephs as they're called. This is a fancy machine behind me, and that is why I am standing here like this to show you guys sort of what this machine can do, what it's capable of, and definitely how it will help you get the smile that you've always been looking for. So if you're trying and attempting DIY orthodontics with a lot of the competitors that I'm sure that you've heard out there where you're just having stuff shipped to you, stop it, first of all. But secondly, give us a call because I think today you'll be convinced that this is definitely something that you're going to want to take into consideration when you're having your orthodontist or your dentist or whoever treatment plan. What's going to get you to the best smile that you've ever had. And x-rays are a big part of that. Diagnosing and making sure that we come up with the right plan is really, really important. So today I wanted to show you the advantage of being able to sort of see what we want to accomplish with someone's smile before we even get started. This is something that we offer at our office. It comes standard on every case that we do so that we can ensure that we're doing everything we can possibly before we even start to get the best possible result. These are a couple of examples. So the one on the left here, whether or not you can read x-rays, this person's lower jaw is way back. So we would typically call that like an overbite, right? So sometimes you can have an overbite because of your teeth, and sometimes you can have an overbite because of your chin or the bones of the face. And this is why we really, really harp on trying to get kiddos in here as soon as possible, because when their bone is soft in their face, we can do a lot to fix that and correct that while they're developing rather than waiting until you're an adult. However, if you are an adult, there are a lot of options out there. There are a lot of great ways to prevent having to have surgeries to try to correct this as an adult. Obviously, is something that a lot of people may know, the shorter your face is or more of an overbite you have, a lot of times it's harder for you to breathe at night when you're asleep. Sometimes tonsils and adenoids and things become a problem. So please, we're a big fan of what some people have called airway odontics, which is just basically trying to make sure there's enough room for your tongue so that you can breathe well at night. Basically, a ceph, though, is a 2D image of a 3D object. So you are a 3D object, whether you may know that or not, I'm sure you do. But the 2D image that we take is literally just a profile shot of your face to compare where your upper jaw sits in relation to your lower jaw. And there's a lot of other things, little markers that we have, all of us do, from the way God made us, that help us determine, how are we going to best get a bite that looks symmetrical, that looks perfect, in line with the rest of your face. So you can have perfectly straight teeth, but you also want that to look proportionate to the rest of your face. So and then that image on the right that you're seeing comes from a machine that's like ours. The CBCT is just a fancy way of saying it's a 3D X-ray. That's what we call it. So hopefully that makes it a little bit easier. We are again here to surround you, make sure that you're getting the treatment done and that you're not alone. We really want you to feel like you have a team of people around you that want you to be successful, and we pride ourselves on that. So our phone number is 972-885-9670. We really want to hear from you soon. Again, in the coronavirus era now, we are offering things like curbside pickup for your aligners, and just trying to limit the number of times you have to come to the dental office. We are offering free orthodontic consultations, so please take advantage of that. If you're just wanting to have somebody take a look-see and spitball ideas with you about how we can get the smile that you've always wanted, come by and see me. I would love to chat with you and love to talk to you more about it. And again, we are offering $1,000 off clear aligners. Please check out our other videos, and cannot wait to talk to you again soon. Y'all take care, Celina, and prosper. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.